Hi, my name is Phyllis. You can also call me Miss Nyakiba. I'm here to talk about effective customer experience. Customer service is not a department, it's everyone's job. You need to know that, and as you work, as you relate, as you have businesses, it is everyone's job. So it is very important to give an experience to the customer that they cannot forget about. The experience, you can imagine calling somewhere and they say push 1 to talk to sales, push 2 to talk to service, push 3 to talk to billing, push 39 to repeat these options. You can imagine how tiring it is. That is bad customer service. So what is the experience we are selling out there? That is what we need to discuss today. That is very key. We should give a very good experience. Research has shown that some percentage of customers would rather pay more for better customer service. 89% of consumers have stopped doing businesses with the company after experiencing poor customer service. By 2020, customer experience will overtake price and product. It is the key. We sell experience. We no longer sell the product. Then let's talk about the external customer experience. External customer is the one that gives a paycheck to your employer or to you. So basically, that is a person that you should handle very well. And they have a choice. They can leave you. They can go if you don't give them good business. And others can come back and give feedback and for you to take up. Internal customer experience is when you deal with the colleagues at work, other departments, and you give them excellence in communication and cooperation. You work together so that the external customer can have a good experience. So internal customer experience is the starting point of customer experience. Then the importance of external customer experience. Does great customer experience depend on excellent internal customer experience? It's the same thing I've talked about. It starts with the internal customer experience. They relate with each other. If you people cannot relate in the same department, then can you relate with other people outside there? So it starts from inside. So the importance of internal customer experience is that great customer service. Let me summarize. Great customer service for external customer depends on excellent internal customer service. So it all starts with internal customer service. Internal customer service is what is key. So guidelines for successful internal customer service, you need to set clear expectations within departments. Always keep customers informed. Get to know your teammates. Get the bigger picture. What's the bigger picture? Always close the loop. Make your coworkers feel valued. Develop a positive attitude. Solve problems. Identify needs and view issues as they come. Linkage between internal and external customer experience. You can see that there's a linkage between internal and external experience because interdepartmental relationships are there. You have to work together. Then effective internal customer service helps organization cut costs, increase productivity. When you have good customer service, you work better. So those are posters that are showing you one customer service officer is just thinking about his family as he's sorting people. Then others have a tendency of telling external customers how, or within themselves, that management does not appreciate them. So why give good service? That should not be the case. That should not be brought out. So pointers to consider is that know what your customer wants most and what your company does best. Customers don't expect you to be perfect, and merely satisfying customers will not be enough to earn their loyalty. You need to be to exceed their expectations. You need to wow your customers. So let's focus on the 4 C's of customer service. We need to be committed. You have to show commitment, completeness, consistency, and communication. Communication is very key, and we'll talk about communication at some point. It is very key to ensure that there is a perfect internal and external customer service. So these are things that you need to carry as a Bible. So what next? We need to drive customer centricity, where the focus is the customer. We need to leverage service for revenue growth. We need to integrate customer touch points, and we need to focus on the next generation customer service. So further than that, we need to integrate these 4 points to ensure that the customer service we have, the customer experience we have, is for the next generation. It's not just about us. This has been good sharing with you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel and continue engaging me on Marketing 101, Customer Service 101, and issues to do with branding. Anything marketing, I'm here for you. Thank you so much for your time.